special? Are you the lucky one? Today, Cebu Pacific marks another milestone with its 200 millionth passenger, and he or she is on board the new A330neo. Again, are you the 200 millionth one? Okay, raise your hand if you think you are the 200 millionth one. Now, I won't be taking any of your time any further. I know you're all very excited. Most of you are on the edge of your seats. As I am on my toes, we would like to call on the CEO of Cebu Pacific Air, Mr. Lance Gokongwei, to award our 200 millionth one.
Hi everyone, Maayong buntag. I remember the last time we awarded a passenger in 2017. It was our 150 million passenger. Who would have thought that 5 years later and 2 years into the pandemic, we will hit another passenger milestone. This airline started with a dream of making air travel accessible to everyone, and now we are the leading airline here in the Philippines. It's all because everyone here believed in our vision. Now I'm pleased to call on our 200 millionth passenger. Drum roll. Mr. Salbert Garces. May we invite Mr. Garces to please come to the front of the cabin.
We're just gonna have a quick photo opportunity with our 200 millionth passenger with Mr. Lance Gokongwei. And congratulations to Mr. Salbert Garces. We're gonna have a quick photo opportunity with Mr. Lance Gokongwei and our Cebu Pacific moment makers.